This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be playing with this tiny Canon G7x III. It's all the rage on TikTok and I wanted to see for myself if it is worth the money. The camera is around $700 and I wanted to see if it's worth it. We will be testing it out alongside the Canon 5D Mark IV. I recently brought it back to life and I thought I would shoot it side by side to see what it looks like. So let's get right into the video and let's go from there. I need to change some settings in here. Gonna go a bit higher. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this takes so long. Who has the time for this? And today's economy.
You guys don't see it, but I was actually pressing the trigger one image after the other and it was taking this long to take a single picture. At first, I thought it was due to it not finding focus, but I actually think it's due to the flash's recycling time, which is just extremely slow. The camera itself is tiny, the battery is really, really small, and it just doesn't have the power. So each shot would take me probably 5 to 7 seconds to take, which in professional settings is absolutely ridiculous. But obviously, I have to keep in mind that this camera is not used for professional settings. But even if you're taking pictures of yourself or your friends, don't count on the flash firing because it's not going to, and you won't be able to take a lot of pictures very fast.
Let me take a few pictures with the Canon just to compare the other Canon. Oh, big boy. Left it on. She didn't say you.
Oh, so cute.
I did say, oh my god.
Gross. There we go. Now that's the flash I'm talking about.
This is very bright though. I need to change my ISO. There we go.
So I want to play a little game with you guys. I will put up the pictures on the screen and you can guess which camera took which photo. Afterwards, I'll show the description so you'll see if you guessed correctly or not. And at the end of this video, I'd love for you to go and comment how many of the images you guessed correctly. I am very interested to see if you guys will be able to figure it out or not. Let's go.
Zoom. Yeah, it's like definitely struggling with focusing on my model's face and it's just taking ever to take a picture. You didn't blink. That's nice. 7 years later, it's like, God damn it. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. This is a struggle. So at the moment, my settings for the flash are 1/8 of the second. My camera is f2.8, 1/60th of a second, ISO 125, which I think is pretty similar to the power shot. The only difference with the power shot is I have no idea how to control the flash, so it's just an auto, whatever it decides to be. But I'll take a few pictures like this and then change into the power shot again. Beautiful. Let me see, I might actually blast the flash even a bit more. Yes, love. As I get closer to my model, I lower the flash power because I am closer to her and I don't want to blast her too much. Cute. Oh, that looks great. Let me take a few on our infamous power shot. Why are you so busy? You're so busy. Busy, busy, busy boy. That's beautiful. No, it's on her. Beautiful. I think it's only fair if we take some pictures without the flash just to see what it looks like. And let's see how you perform on this test. Mr. Canon. I have a feeling it was just a flash that was making it really slow because now it's taking pictures. I think it was just literally not keeping up with my flash demands. Cute. Can you have one or two again? Are you standing on the thing? Sorry, just the balancing beam. Oh, it's bright. It's definitely the flash. That's a shame. It slaps. Oh, and I'll take a few on this one. This actually looks really cool and it works fine, but it's just a beat of freaking snails. Beautiful. You hear that? The sound of efficiency. So when it comes to flash settings, they're pretty simple. Even if you shoot on manual, you basically have 3 flash settings, low, medium, or high. When you're using an outside flash like this, you have way more control over the power of the flash. And the flash is just extremely slow. It takes 5 to 6 seconds to take a single photo, which for me is an absolute no. Who has the time for this? It's time to have a word from our sponsor. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Squarespace offers intuitive tools to build websites as unique as your art.
One of the features that I'm absolutely thrilled about is the Fluid engine. With its next generation website design system, unlocking unbreakable creativity has never been easier. Starting with a best-in-class template, you can customize every design detail effortlessly using the reimagined drag and drop technology. It's seamless on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to stretch your imagination online. For someone like me who values a unique, visually stunning website, Fluid engine is a game changer. And photographers, listen up. Squarespace isn't just about beautiful websites. It's also a powerful tool for selling your photography. With the online store features, whether it's physical prints or digital downloads, Squarespace provides everything you need to start selling online. It's like having your own photography store at your fingertips. Now, here's something that sets Squarespace apart: appointments. Accept booking for its private sessions, workshops, or group classes directly on your website. Manage your schedule, accept secure payments, and even send automatic reminders. It's a lifesaver for us photographers who wear multiple hats. And speaking of showcasing your work, Portfolios and Galleries feature is a dream for photographers. Professional designs, customizable galleries, and the option to add password-protected pages. It's the perfect platform to present our visual stories to the world. But wait, there's more. Monetize your creativity with member areas. Sell exclusive access to sections of your website, turning your passion into a source of income. It's like having your own VIP section for your most dedicated followers. Now, I know you're eager to get started. Head to squarespace.com/Anita for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, you'll receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So, fellow photographers, make your online presence as stunning as your photography. I will see you on Squarespace.
What if instead of lying down, you just like sit up? Beautiful. What if you have a kind of both shoulders for the shirt? Yeah, cute. I would love for you to sit, maybe not cross-legged because your legs are kind of disappearing because the bed is soft, so you're just like sinking in. It's better. You see? Let's grab our trusty Canon, other Canon. Let's see. Settings for this here. This is definitely an option where I can overpower the background with the flash. Yes. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Just take one or two with the flash. See what the black looks like. Beautiful. I'll switch it off. I think it's nicer with that. Beautiful. That's really nice. Love that. Cool. Let me just take a few on this one. It's 125, 1.8. Oh shit, I switched it off. Oh, can you, the way you were sitting on your knees was really nice on your, and then this arm, can you have it closer here? Yes, perfect. Beautiful. It looks really good from the preview. I don't know what the photos are going to be like on the thing, but I mean, well, on the computer, but on this thing, it looks really good. Yeah. Yep. Don't be fooled, children. You never know. Don't talk to strangers. So I have to say, once you get over the slowness of this camera, the photos are actually a vibe. I actually really like how they look. I think it's very interesting. They're very moody, and I like the vibe of them. They're very different from the Canon, I feel like, the 5D Mark IV. These are kind of a bit more stylish almost, which I like, but it's just the slowness of it. It's so slow. This camera is so slow. Why? Oh, cute. Another thing I'm gonna change, one second. I'm just gonna change the white balance for a second. Just fix this leg a little bit because it's kind of sideways. It can be down, but it's just like a bit more straight, I guess. But what if it's more behind you? Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Cute. Love that. I really like it. It looks really cool. When the flash works, it works great. The photos look great. But you know what? There's a little tag sticking out on the side. It's not a big deal, but it's on the other side. I don't know if you can just like hook it in a little bit. Beautiful. Cute. Love that. Cute. I want to try this on this just with that flash. That looks so good. Seriously, I almost feel like the photos from this camera look better than from the Canon, but like, just know how feasible it is to shoot with that. Beautiful. You're trying not to blink. Don't blink. That's beautiful, the way you're sitting right now. Gorgeous. Oh, that's fine. That's cute. Let's get a few standing shots, I think. Maybe just like, yeah, your skirt, your thing kind of drapes down. Yeah, that's cute. Maybe let's get you standing against this little and maybe let's get a few just without the shirt, just with the set. You could actually be looking at the cord. I don't really want to. Just like maybe playing around with it. I don't know how you probably not supposed to touch it, or just maybe like this or something. I don't know. Like, haha, me and records. Cute. That's good. Beautiful. I love that. Oh yeah, that's super nice. No, beautiful, cute. Let me take a few pictures with this kind. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's really nice. This is definitely where the Canon 5D still reigns superior to the other camera. Sorry, one second, I just need to change the focus. Beautiful. Love. It's pretty cool. That's cute. That's great.
Nice.
Yeah, it's super cute. It's just the other camera. The other camera does not have the flash strength to balance this out. It's just going crazy. Beautiful. Let me take a few on this one just to see what it looks like. Beautiful. Do this thing again. I just want to get close up. Yes, beautiful. So first impressions, obviously I haven't seen the photos on the computer yet, so it's kind of hard to tell what the photos exactly look like, but so far I really like what I'm seeing. The only downside is the speed of the flash in the camera. It's pretty atrocious. It takes photos maybe once every 6 seconds on the max flash strength, which is just very painful. It just takes a long time, but when it does take the picture, it looks really nice. So I'm very excited to see what the two cameras look like side by side and compare them. But so far, I am pretty impressed for a tiny $600 camera. We're doing pretty well. Gold star, but we'll see.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Let me know how many images you guessed correctly and what do you think about the camera, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!